How to enable MMS on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to set up or enable MMS on iPhone, this can allow you to send pictures, videos, and group text via cellular data. To do so, first of all, you need to check your carrier support. MMS requires cellular plan that supports MMS. To do so, head over to your settings, go on cellular data, and then tap on option or choose your SIM. Once that is done, you can head over to the Settings app again. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Again, scroll down to find the option or app Messages. After tapping on Messages, scroll down and you will see the option of MMS messaging. In some carriers, the option may appear as multimedia messaging. Toggle the option on and you're good to go. Make sure after enabling the MMS, remember to restart your iPhone. This way, it will ensure the settings to take effect immediately. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.